Hi Alexa, congratulations for being one of the presenters here. So Alexa, how do you feel about it and what are your upcoming projects we should watch out for?
Thank you so much for asking. I was also the red carpet host, so I'm very thankful to Eddie's, of course, for having me tonight with Mr. Fu. Nag-host kami kanina. It was such a wonderful experience because first time ko siyang ma-experience nga at napakasarap sa pakiramdam na mapalapit sa mapalapit as in face to face sa ating mga batikan, mga veterano, ang mga bumubuo sa lahat ng ating mga pelikula sa harap at sa likod ng camera. So napakasaya ko po na mapabilang sa mga presenter din po ngayong gabi at nakatungtong po ako sa ating entablado ng Eddie's. It's always so special for me. This is my second. So I'm so happy and I'm so thankful to the board. Thank you po.
Yeah, very eye-catching and textured yung suot mo, Filipiniana. Can you tell me who you're wearing?
Thank you so much. I'm wearing Nerek Beltran. This is my second
fashion
number.
Show siya.
Yes, that's right. Favorite ko, isa po siya sa mga favorite ko pong designer. Mahilig po akong makipagtrabaho sa ating mga local designers para Filipino pride po.
You know, we have many, actually recently, sunod-sunod, Marriott, yung Conrad, yung mga bridal na with my collab sa artist. Ikaw ba, have you modeled for designers sa ramp talaga? Do you have any upcoming collabs na?
Wala pa po akong collabs, but hopefully it's a dream of mine as well to be invited by our esteemed designers, of course. Kahit sino pong ating mga rising designers, willing na willing po ako. Basta po tatak Pinoy at kahit sa mga abroad din po, okay din po sa akin. And meron po tayong movie na upcoming po this year. It's called Reconnect. This is going to be with Mr. Gerald Anderson and Carmina Villaruel and I think the Tito Zorin Legaspi as well. Tita Gloria Diaz. Yes po, opo. At marami pa pong iba. This is for the MMFF of 2025.
Wow, congratulations in advance. So,
so
last question na lang. Top of your mind, sino yung top 3 na if ever given the chance to star in your own movie again, if we have, because I haven't, sino yung gusto mo makapartner?
Angel Locsin po. Angel Locsin, Miss Vilma Santos, Miss Hilda Coronel.
Wow.
Opo. Sige.
Puro acting, great.
Opo, mga idolo ko po sa industriya na pinapangarap ko pong makatrabaho isang araw.
Okay, thank you Alexa and again,
Salamat
congratulations.
Po.